Hey guys, back with another video. I'm going to show you my dog. I'm going to show you a different dog. I'm going to show you my baby cat. I'm going to show you a squirrel. So we're back with another video. Here first is our baby dog. Come here, Emma. Emma! And she is eating grass right now. She is really playful. Come on. Come here, Emma. Okay, so that's our baby dog. Really cute, really playful. Had her for a couple of weeks. Now we're going to go show you the squirrel and the kitten. Oh, there's Dakota. Come here, Dakota. Here's our other dog, German Shepherd. Right here. Baby Golden Retriever. Right there. Squirrel and baby cat coming up in a minute. Oh, I forgot. This is my other friend. What? Huh? Wow. Okay, first, the squirrel. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Sorry. Yeah, you can kind of see.
Back up some.
There, you can kind of see him, but not much. Okay, now we're going to take the baby cat outside and show you the baby cat. You open the door.
Yeah,
There's my friend. Narwhal. Here's the baby cat. He is so cute and so fluffy. He is the cutest cat I've ever had. So thank you guys, and please subscribe, please watch, please give likes. Thank you guys, and bye.